Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in Gnucash. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Gnucash app on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to wait a moment while your financial data loads up. This might take a few seconds depending on how much data you have stored, so just be patient while everything initializes properly. Now, once your data is fully loaded, you'll see your main Gnucash dashboard with a list of all your accounts displayed. Look for the expenses account in this list. You'll notice a small arrow icon next to it on the right side. Click on this arrow to expand the expenses account and reveal all your expense categories underneath. After expanding the expenses account, you'll see various expense categories listed, such as utilities, groceries, transportation, and more. From here, scroll down through the list until you find the category where your specific expense should be recorded. For this tutorial, we'll select online services as an example, but you would choose whichever category matches your actual expense. Once you've located the right category, double-click on it to open it. A new tab will open displaying the details for that expense category. This is where you'll actually record your expense information. You'll see several fields that need to be filled in, so let's go through them one by one. Start with the date field and enter the date when the expense occurred. This helps you maintain accurate financial records and makes it easier to track spending over time. Next, move to the expense number field. This is typically an optional reference number that you can use to organize your transactions, but it's good practice to fill it in if your accounting system uses it. After that, click into the description field and type a brief description of what the expense was for. Be specific enough that you'll remember what it was when you review your records later. Now comes the most important part, setting the expense value. Enter the exact amount of money you spent in the appropriate field. Make sure this amount is accurate, as it directly affects your financial tracking and reporting. Double check that you've entered the correct value before moving on. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, including the date, expense number, description, and value, it's time to save your entry. Look at the top part of your screen and you'll see a Save button. Click on it to finalize and record your expense in Gnucash. The system will then save all the information you just entered into your accounting records. And that's it. You've successfully recorded an expense in Gnucash, helping you maintain accurate financial records for your business or personal accounting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.